Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure by 30-minute, what do I mean? Well, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but now the price has battled back. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still work that needs to be done. But relatively speaking, from where it was to where it's been able to bounce back to, nice solid move. But that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 1525. Why is 1525 so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 1525, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined again as 1525. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the big battleground to watch moving forward now is all about that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And you can see the value of that as, we'll just call it $16. So $16 will be that main area of resistance to watch moving forward. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.